device. Now I will discuss how to configure analog inputs and outputs in the PLC S7-1200 with TIA port. So here you can see that I have the two main blocks, two main instructions for the analog input and output conversion, Normex and ScaleX. For the Normex, what the Normex does, it converts the raw values to the 0 to 1, that is, it normalizes the raw values. And ScaleX, it performs the scaling function. It converts the value from 0 to 1 to 0 to 10 here. Here I have defined it 10. This is the scale minimum value and maximum value. In this way, the analog value is scaled from raw value to the desired value. So here in the network 2, I am doing here a mathematical calculation. I am dividing the input with 2. So here I am getting 0 to 10 volts in the network 1, and in network 2 the 10 volts are divided with the 2. So for 0 to 10 volts we will be getting 0 to 5 volts. Now I have to give this value to the analog output. Here in the analog output, I want to display the same value of which I am giving to the analog input. So consequently, I have to again apply Normex and ScaleX. Here in the Normex, I will scale from 0 to 5 instead of 0 to 10. So I am scaling it from 0 to 5. So here I will get 0 to 1. And that 0 to 1 will be scaled into 0 to 2, 7, 6, 4, 8, that is the value given to the hardware. And here I have the hardware address. Here please note that I am using the memory bits here. Memory bit at MW64 and memory bit output MW80. For the actual inputs and outputs, I will use here I instead of M. So I will first download it. Since I am using the simulator CPU, so I will first download it. Okay, now we'll go online. So this video has to be run. Now here I give the value 20,000. So against 20,000 I will get 7.23 volts. So now for the output, so for the network 2, I will be dividing this value with the 2. So here I am getting the value divided with the 2, and now I am converting it back to the raw value. So please note that what I have given input, the output is the same value. So if I am giving the 7.2 volts, I will be also getting 7.2 volts. In the part 2, I will physically simulate it with the CPU and actually download it in the actual CPU and show you the input and output working. So this is how the analog inputs and outputs are configured in the S7-1200. So thank you very much for listening.